I'm Polly Bath. I speak in schools throughout the country, helping to manage and change difficult classroom behavior that interrupts instruction. Today, I'm going to answer one of your questions. What do you suggest for kids who encourage other children to make poor choices? There's two issues here, all right? There's the kid who needs to control others and the child who needs to have the confidence to not allow somebody else to kind of control them. So one of the things I might want to do with this first kiddo is give them some other things they can do in the building to kind of tap off of that need to be the leader. See, lots of kids are leaders. They just channel that skill in the wrong way. So instead of trying to control others, I might have them be a peer tutor for younger kids. I might have them in charge of a job that has to be done. And if they're not there, the job doesn't get done. So I'll try to channel that somewhere. And for the other children, I want to build their confidence. One of the things I've always said to them when they dive into following someone and getting into trouble, I look right at them and I say, make your own decisions. You've got this. Use any 3 or 4 word script you can to empower kids that it's okay to think for yourself. And that builds their confidence as well. I once had a 5th grade kid ask me, he said, Miss, can you tell me what to do when I want to laugh at my friend across the room because he's so funny, but I know I'm going to get in trouble? One of the best questions he ever could have asked me. And I realized, here's a kid who really didn't know how to control that. And so I had to keep building his confidence, and I'd give him a look every once in a while, every time I knew he was going to laugh at the kiddo who was making faces at him, and I'd be like, you got this. You got this, man. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, watch these videos, and if you've got questions for future videos, include them in the comments below.